today at Somersby Falls. I already got turned back. Second that I got here, it was like, you can't go this way, there's been a landslide, and basically told me that I needed to turn back, and I was like, well, I just drove all this way. So that's great. I probably won't run into too many people. Anyway, we're gonna continue on a bit of a journey this way, and we're gonna see what we see. I just can't get over the moss on these rocks. I'm just continuously patting them while talking to you. I'm gonna continue walking down this way. And yeah, we'll just have a little chat about what's been going on in life and have a little bushwalk together. Stopping and going, wow, wow. Like, what the heck? I'm actually here in fairyland. So I've just moved house. And I've moved out of the area that I grew up in and everything that I've ever known. And I can't say that this place is brand new to me. I used to come here every second weekend to see my dad and in the school holidays. But I just felt a calling to move north from where I had been. It's been huge. Moving out of the place that you grew up, huge. I'm so insanely grateful for the place that we have moved. I feel like the space is just so abundant. It feels cozy. It feels like somewhere I can really rest and hibernate this winter. I was really manifesting and dreaming up this cave. I just wanted to live in a cave at one point. So this isn't a cave, but you know, it feels very cozy. Our landlord is like also just very into plants like me. So there's tons of new plant babies for me to look after, and Alaska and Jordan are really loving it there as well. Now that we have moved house, I actually live about 20 minutes drive from my dad, so it's been like really nice to get to see my dad this often, doing lots of bushwalks and just seeing my dad live like quite positively. It's been really nice as well. So deep in the bush right now. Go! One thing that you're probably wondering is why the hell did she bring like the biggest bag ever? And I've also been wondering that too. The reason why is because I brought my, I think they're actually called tongue drums, but yes, it's brand new. I don't know why, but it smells so good. My name is Valerie Gould. I'm 26 years old, and I feel the best version of myself when I am deep in nature. And why is that? Because I feel less attached to my ego and less attached to the story that is who I am outside of this space. And sometimes I feel like I just need to get back in this space to remind myself of my humility in this world. I feel so humbled here. I feel like I'm reminded of the fact when I'm here that I am no different to this. I'm no different to the damp leaves and the moss, the flowing river. It's all a part of me. I finally made it to the top. Huge walk. I kept on hearing voices. Like I kept looking around being like, oh, who's come down this far? Like who's brave enough to come down this far? And I don't think it was anyone. I think it was coming from the waterfall. The waterfall spirits, and the energy that's moving through this place is really strong. So that's pretty cool. I heard like kids running around. That's what it sounded like the giggle and chatter of kids while I was trekking up. That was a huge trek, my goodness. I was just walking up these stairs at the very end of the walk, almost in the car park, and I just was literally thinking to myself, you know what, this is going to be my Tuesday thing. I'm going to go on an adventure and film it every Tuesday. And I walk up and I see a lyrebird just sitting there. Lyrebirds just represent such majestic beauty to me. The fact that they can mimic any sound perfectly. The way that they run, their feathers, just everything about them is just so magical. What a treat. What an awesome end to this amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really, really appreciate you looking at anything I've got here to share, because I have so much that I want to share with you on this platform. My name is Valerie Gould, and I will continue to share these videos with you, hopefully once a week. If you liked what you saw, feel free to like, comment and subscribe and do all of the things that people do. And from me and this lyrebird that's just walking around the bush right here beside me, I hope you have a magical day. See ya.